Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to More. Enter home screen mode and select Standard. Now app drawer is disabled. To enable it again, tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to More, enter home screen mode and select drawer mode. Apply, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.